All right, guys, welcome back to the video. This is an unboxing of the Philster Enigma belt. They're calling it a holster. To me, it's basically a belt. Takes the actual mechanisms of a belt. In the last video, my Eclipse holster is what I picked up. Some of you guys might be wondering why there's no belt loops drilled into this area. It's because that's what the folks over at Philster recommended, that you get the one without any. So that way it can be more easier to connect to your Philster belt / holster. So I did a little bit of a difference here. In the last video, I'm doing these things one-handed. So I did cut this open, but I have not opened it up. So we're gonna go straight in and see what comes inside of the Philster belt system. This is not the Express, so there is going to be some actual assembly required. So that by itself is another video, but let's go in here and live and see what it looks like. As I said, just cut it open. I have not gone into it yet, as you can see. So there's everything else in this bad boy here. There is, I like stickers, as you guys know. Look at that. Philster, that's a really nice one too. Almost like Grand Theft Auto. This is the front retention kit that they recommend, the actual holsters out of the Eclipse. So I did that. Got another funky looking sticker here. It's crazy. Here we go. The Concealment Holster chassis. They're pretty self-explanatory here. This is very nice. So let's see. So first impression. So is this more stickers? Enigma. That my sticker area here. Enigma. Instructions, a barcode, because I'm sure I'm going to need the instructions. Okay, honestly, guys, when I first got my hands on this, I thought this was going to be a metal. This is what feels to be like a type of plastic here, guys. A type of plastic. I think that's by design. I think they wanted it to be slightly flexible. They said I was really hoping this was a type of high-end metal or aluminum or something. I'm a little bummed out about that because this thing was not cheap. Then I'm slightly worried about some of this be breaking off plastic. Like, I can tell you right now, if I can see, I can feel the flexing here. So I'm really worried about that. So we will find out. And then also, honestly, this plastic here feels a lot thicker here. So I'm not as worried about it. This is definitely stronger than this plate. So I feel like this plate is meant to be very flexible. I guess the only worry now is in between these areas here. Just how bad will this be, you know? With what could possibly happen to it. And this is the, for some people, dreaded leg leash. I say, I've seen videos of people who are worried that this may come off when you go to draw for your weapon. This will be very interesting to see how this holds up. And this is this really cool magnetic leash system. So I think that's pretty cool. I can feel the magnetic pull. That's kind of crazy. That this snaps in. I actually like that. And this plastic is way better than whatever this is. So it looks like it's strong where it counts. And it looks like it's flexible where it needs to be. So I'm gonna be giving you guys a more in-depth review on this, but I do love the way it catches the light, regardless of its perceived fragility, which I believe, I know you guys will eat me up in the comments, but I think that is by design, the flexibility here, because where it matters, they made it very strong here. So this is very, you can't hear it on camera, but it's very strong where it matters here. So it's very strong on camera where it matters. It's a lot thicker. All right, guys, so look forward to the review of both the Enigma Concealment Holster and the holster over from Eclipse Holsters. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you like videos like this. It'll help this get out to people who might be considering purchasing these. Comment down below, do you own these? Would you ever buy such an expensive belt / holster? Why or why not? Thanks for watching.